How to activate boost on plenty of fish. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will simply show you how you can activate boost feature on plenty of fish, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now activating a boost is a little bit different than what you get in the premium version. A premium is generally a subscription, right? But a boost is something that you buy, and then along with it you get some tokens, and depending upon how you use the tokens you get a boost for a specific amount of time of your PoF profile. So in order to activate boost on plenty of fish, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and launch the plenty of fish dating app. Once you launch the plenty of fish dating app, you'll see all the sorts of information where you might need to actually come to this little heart icon which you see over here. When you come to the heart icon, you'll be able to see a list of people here, but then you want to tap on this little lightning icon from the top right hand side of the screen. As you could clearly see, this lightning icon. When you do that, it'll ask you looking for a little more attention. Tokens boost your profile to grab the attention of nearly possible matches, right? So you can get 10 tokens for $1.99, and then you can get 5 tokens for $2.99, or you can get 1 token for only $3.99. But depending upon whichever deal they are giving right over here right now, I think the first one is basically the most popular one that you might want to purchase, and you can see it will take us to the secure purchase page. Over here what you can do is you can check out with PayPal if you have a PayPal account, or you can simply pay with your credit or debit card. Once you enter your first name, your last name, credit card number, security code, and buy this purchase, you can use that tokens and then boost your profile and get more matches along the way. And this is how you can activate tokens on plenty of fish, or how you can activate boost in other words. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.